This is my yard now. It is 10:11 a.m. I think it's pretty shitty what they just did, because now we probably can't get out of here, but they've been telling us to remain calm and stay in place and don't get out on the road. But now that they got us trapped in here, now they want to open the dams and start releasing water. Well, I say they're trying to drown us. I pray I'm wrong, but this is my yard, and up until now there's been a lot of dry land. All that back there is still pretty dry. The pool has barely any water in it, so which tells me it's been more water released onto the ground, not from the sky. I don't know. Just not buying the story. I love all my family. I love all my friends. Just everybody get safely somewhere. Don't worry about material things.